Y-Volution Velo push bike. We got it at Toys R Us for $60, and so far it's been absolutely great. Our boy, who's 2 years old and 2 months, took to it right away, and 7 days in, he's pretty much an expert. Has these great foam wheels, pretty durable, adjustable seat, so as he grows, he'll be able to use it, but I think he'll outgrow it to a pedal bike pretty soon. The only thing that's not so great is the grips. They're just foam grips, and they don't really handle the abuse of being dropped. But other than that, we're really happy with it, especially since when he's riding, we can walk at normal adult pace and he's up with us, and he really loves it. But I would highly recommend it. Super easy, great to take around with us. We've used it on the street and a couple trails, and he keeps up just great, and is learning kind of the ways of dodging people on the sidewalk pretty good. But overall, we're really happy.